What's up? I hope you're feeling good, hope you're feeling amazing. So right now, I want us to look at the Google AI Studio.
Welcome to Mkidi Studios.
Google AI Studio. So we see the chat place. We see the stream. We see a place to chat. I get. So you see here up on the screen, and then you see a stream place. Talk to Gemini live. I get. We have the talk, you have the webcam, you have a share screen, we get. So you can like hapa manzi like Google imeteka mbele mbaya. So you have generate media, we get. So you have nano banana, we get. And then you have fetch let me go back. So you have imagine, we have Gemini speech generation, Lyria, real time, and then we have video. So me personally as a 3D animator, these tools are very essential to you, bro. This is the whole entire studio. And then you have controlled real-time music with text prompts, create video just showing hey guy Jehovah. These are serious tools, bro. And you have build manzi. You can build apps with Gemini, start building with Gemini, or build me an app with with Nano Banana using build me. Okay, that's just an example. So here you can make a game. So I have here my apps, recent apps, my guy. Like the next generation is just going to have a blast. Like a blast, my guy, a blast. So you have flashcard maker, video analyzer, spatial understanding, maps evolver, image to code. Get started with Gemini. So manzeri now upper, like you just have the power, like so much power on your fingertips right now. You just have to be smart. So and why I'm talking about API keys, under dashboard we have a place called API keys. Only API keys for imported projects appear here. If you don't see an API key, you can import projects on the So this is my Google. I'll crop out some things. So why am I saying an API key is very important? Coming back to what we are saying, an API key, an API is a bridge that allows two computer programs to allow. An API key is a bridge that allows two computer programs to talk to each other and exchange data or commands safely, quickly and automatically. Think of it like a waiter in a restaurant. You, the app, tell the waiter, the API. No, what is the API? This is the API. Are you now understand what I'm saying? You personally have an API key. What I'm saying? Using a Google Studio. You, the app. You get what I'm saying? You have an app. You can make an app. You use the API key to talk to as a bridge. So an API is a bridge that allows two computer programs to talk to each other and exchange data or commands safely and quickly and automatically. Think of it like a waiter in a restaurant. So you, the app, tell the waiter, the API, what you want. For example, I like some user data. The waiter goes to the kitchen, the server or database. Now the kitchen is the server or database. Gets it, brings it back in the format you can use. You don't need to know how the kitchen works, just how to ask the waiter properly. Now, how is the waiter? The waiter is the API. So, you can make apps. You can use Google. You're trying to figure out how you can use your APIs, and you can use Google Studio to make your life better. So now how this relates to Google AI Studio. In Google AI Studio, when you use function calling, you can tell Gemini, no, this Gemini, the other Gemini, Gemini, Now you can tell Gemini. Have you gotten? You can tell Gemini. In Google AI Studio, when you use function calling, you can tell Gemini use the weather API to fetch today's weather in Mombasa. The AI will analyze your request, call the weather API, bring back live results, formats them in human language. Then that's literally an AI using an API is to extend its brain into the real world. Have you gotten? So this is like a short summary. There you can see it on the screen. So an API. What is an API? A bridge for apps to talk to each other. Analogy, it's a waiter. Me get? So what is an endpoint? This is the term. The exact door to knock on. The kitchen door. Hypothetically, the kitchen door to the database or the server. Very important. What is the request? What you ask for? The order you place. You as the app who has the API key. Very important. The response. What you get back from the server or database through the API. Me get from the app. Me get the food. What you get back, the food delivered. Now, what is the API key? Your access pass. Me get this here. This is your access pass. So, this is the analogy. This is your restaurant ticket. So summary. Now, the last one. Function calling in AI. The AI using APIs. Me get function calling. No, it's the AI studio using APIs. Me get. Me understand? It's Google Studio using API. Very nice. Me understand. I love it. So it's the waiter calling the chef, and the chef is in the server or the database. Me get. So I understand it's a challenge, but I think this is very critical information, very critical information. Yeah, so you can use it to enhance your life. Yeah, manzi, I think itakubamba sana manzi. Kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. You're awesome for being here, and I truly appreciate you.
Welcome to M-Pesa Studios.